Hello everyone! This tutorial details how to disassemble a LaCie, or LaCie if you prefer, external rugged hard drive that no longer seems to work. First, remove the housing from the rubber bumper. Use a screwdriver or any other small tool with a solid edge and start to gently pry up the aluminum tabs. If you bend these tabs too far, they can snap off, and that's not good in case you end up wanting to put this housing back together. Before you break the warranty sticker, just go ahead and double check that your drive isn't under warranty still. If it is, the manufacturer will probably offer a free drive swap, or data recovery services for a fee. The tabs interlock, so go ahead and start working both sides apart. Okay, there we go. When I took this housing apart for the first time, this piece of foam was adhered pretty well to the drive, but a slow, firm pull got these two pieces apart. Let's go ahead and remove this data and power cable from the hard drive. There we go. Take off these rubber shock absorbers. And now the drive can be tested out in a dock, or with an adapter. Voila! The hard drive still mounts, so that tells me the problem before was with the connectors on the housing. For further verification that a drive still works fine, you can run a scan and disk utility on a Mac. On a Windows system, I believe the utility is still called check disk. Running a first aid check can take a minute or two, so through the magic of editing, I'll speed this part up a little bit.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Alright, here's some great news. Disk Utility reports this volume appears to be okay. There you have it. If you found this video to be helpful, please click the like button or leave a comment, which helps other people easily find it. If you're watching on YouTube and would like more information about this process, check out our blog by clicking the link just below, or by going to KilmerMedia.net. See you next time, everybody.